Okay, we're live. Having a thunderstorm. And this thunderstorm is really active. Can't stay out long because it's really popping around here. So, I think just by that. Okay. Okay. The wind is picking up. The wind is picking up. And it's really, really storming. There's a lot of lightning. There's a lot of lightning, and I will be going in. Yeah, just that was lightning. That was lightning. So, and I think I will just go in. This is too potent. I think I will go in. This one is just too potent. It is really wind, and there is a lot of lightning. So, not on very long. If you saw that, that was a lightning flash. So, I'm going to get the thunder that will come with it, and I'm going in. And I think that will do it. But if anybody is watching this after I'm live, please like and let me know that you've watched it. I would appreciate that. But I can't continue the live right now because this lightning is really too dangerous, as you can tell. So, I'm going to get this one more thunderclap, and I am headed inside my house where I am safe.